way back from Boone, Michigan, which is like by Cadillac. We just picked up the absolute greatest deal on a set of wheels and tires. They're 2022 Gladiator takeoffs. They're like mint, brand new for this Jeep. So when we get home, I'm gonna put them on. Abrupt stop, they roll. I think this is where I needed to turn. I am so fired up on how good these are. 4 wheels instead of 5. That's a little bit of a bummer, but not really that big of a deal. They still have TPS in them, and the guy even gave me the factory lug nuts. It looks so much cooler. I just love the flush. The fitment is perfect. They look sweet. Now it looks more like a real Jeep. For the 3rd year in a row, Rob and I have the Jeep loaded up. We're heading to Silver Lake Sand Dunes for our annual camping trip and Dunes Adventure. Our first full day camping, and it's kind of rainy, so we've just hung out at the campsite this morning, but now we are on the dunes for the first time.
Yeah.
We figured we'd come check it out, see what it's like when it's a little wet out. Our first time off-roading, other than me driving in the yard the other day. With the new tires.
What do you do for time lapses here?
Yeah, right.
It doesn't look like the sand is all that wet here.
No, it really doesn't.
No, please. Oh.
It's not even that big of a puddle.
I'm afraid we're gonna sink.
I could see the bottom of that.
I couldn't. Yeah. No kidding.
You can be done. The rain has started to pick up. We weren't really planning on coming here. We just kind of turned in for fun to check it out because we've never been here in the rain, but we are getting hungry for lunch. All right, and we're out. We're go-kart racing, and it just started raining, but they're still going to let us go. The last time we were here, I spun Rob out 3 times on accident. It's like legit raining out there. It's so slick. This is this flag curtain thing I got for $20 on Amazon. We kind of got skunked yesterday, just with rain and stuff, so it's sunny today. We decided we're adding another day to our trip to make up for the rain that we had. It kind of ruined yesterday, so today we're gonna do lunch on the dunes. I brought no GoPro mounts, like I forgot them all, so all I have is Rob, his 2 hands, and my 2 hands.
Before she's gonna rip up your heart and kick you out that door. She's a mean and evil and a little bit bored. Doesn't take a genius to figure who she's playing you for. for? Doesn't take
Hi.
a genius to figure who she's playing you for.
I conquered Test Hill. I think it took 4 or 5 tries, but we got it. Just need enough speed, right? Just like on this hill right here. Oh man, this is a steep one. Oh, but it's really packed well.
Yeah. That was much easier than it was.
Steep coming on the other side. I think this is some of the most fun you can have.
Yeah. It's exhilarating to say the least.
Hey, my friend, better hear my advice, 'cause you ain't got no good plan. Gonna make that mistake twice.
Good face full of sand.
Hey, my friend, you've been there before. She's gonna rip up your heart and kick you out that door.
We're sort of stuck. We can back out, but not go forward.
She doesn't mean me to do a little bit more. Doesn't take a chance to figure who she's playing you for.
It's 11 a.m. on June 30th, and it's 57 degrees out. All right, our transfer case issues, I don't know what it is, but essentially sometimes this thing will be in 4, but it'll think over here it's in neutral, and then it'll slip into neutral, and I have to park it and fiddle around with this thing, but it seems like we have it figured out, so if we just leave it in 4-wheel drive, it seems like it'll be fine. Hey, there's ducks in that pond.
Oh, cool.
You see them?
Yeah. Actually, he might have done.
This is our second campsite. We were for the last couple days over there. We decided to stay an extra night because we got rained out for the first day and a half, but we couldn't get the same site. So we booked this one that just allowed us to slide all of our stuff over. So another night here, good to go. Man down, man down. You're dead on the dunes, I better bury ya. spun yourself out on that one. You were trying to spin me in or slam me into the wall. You totally spun yourself out.